Welcome back, everybody. Avax, we believe, is about to explode. We believe Avax is about to skyrocket. The biggest bull run of this cycle for Avax is coming now. That's what we believe. In this video, we're gonna show you the Avax USDT and the Avax BTC chart. Sir, do us a favor, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. We're going to make more and more videos on Avax in the coming days because we believe the bull run for Avax is now ahead. Smash the like, let's dive into the video. Look, this is Avax weekly chart. Okay, this is weekly chart. Okay, this was the bear market, bear. That was your bottom here. Very nice bottom. You had a big move for Avax in 2023. All right, 2023, the last quarter and the first quarter of 2024, you had a very nice move of Avax. Avax went up from the bottom, something around 6x. Okay, but since then, it's been underperforming, all right? Been very serious underperformer. Nothing really rubbish, okay? The November 2024 pump was kind of, just a lower high, okay? It was just a lower high here. Now we believe this whole thing could be a very nice channel, a bull channel, kind of like a falling wedge that will break to the upside and will send Avax skyrocketing. That's what we believe. We'll show you some stuff. Now, let's look on the daily chart, okay? Daily chart, moving average. It's very important. You can see it broke back above the 200-day and above the 50-day and above the 100-day. That's how you want your coins to look like and when you buy them for a trade, for a swing trade. And on top of that, it broke above the base neckline, okay? This is your neckline. That's a beautiful, you can call it a double bottom with a handle, all right? You see here, that was your double bottom. That was your handle here. That was your neckline. Okay. Some will say it's an inverse head and shoulder with double head. Doesn't matter. Neckline pattern, bottom pattern from February 2025 all the way to September 2025. This is major. This is what we're looking for when we trade crypto. This kind of base breakouts. It's a tradable bottom. And yeah, we bought the breakout here. You can see that was the nice squeeze here. We bought the breakout right here, started the position and added a little bit more, 27.5. Looking very, very sexy to me. Avax already up on the trade, 17% and counting. We believe much more upside is coming. Much more upside is coming. Man, I would not be surprised to see Avax coming to test this trend line here in September. Okay, we are seeing in September again. If the rate cuts will not be sell the news, I think we can get Avax to hit the 43s, maybe even to hit the high here, the 55s, before the month end. You never know, because this is you get a major breakout now. You get a major breakout now. Let's look on the momentum. Stochastic RSI here on the weekly. Up. 2 week. Up. Bullish as F. And the monthly cross up, bullish as F. Last time the monthly cross for Avax was in the last quarter of 2023. That was the Avax bull run this cycle. That was it. It was very, very short-lived. Actually, it was a 5x. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing, but still nothing like the 2021 cycle Avax. We believe this cross now, and if we're going to break that trend line, we talked about that trend line, and clear these two peaks, you can see Avax going high. You can see Avax going high, maybe even test the all-time high. Remember, Solana is already near his all-time high. Many coins are going into new all-time highs. Again, it's not saying that Avax have to get there, but we believe it can make a very serious move. It's $30. This is $130. Let's look at some market cap. Show you some market cap. I'll show you some Avax BTC. Sir, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Get yourself a Bitunix account with the link below. This is the best exchange to trade crypto. The cheapest trading fees. You can trade from the US, Canada, Australia, no VPN, no KYC. They give you a deposit bonus on every deposit you make. You get a USDT bonus. Unbelievable exchange. Test it out. My favorite exchange by far. The best exchange I traded in my life. Now let's continue with Avax BTC. All right, Avax BTC. We spotted this reversal on Avax BTC. That's why we are very bullish on Avax. You see this triangle, kind of a breakout here. You can see That's a daily chart. You have a triangle kind of a breakout. Boom, you broke. You can see the breakout. This is significant. This is a significant overperformance over Bitcoin. Probably the most significant so far since right here, since November 2024. So that you can see the candles, very, very strong candles. Now we're looking for this to break that level around the 28 Satoshis, 2800 Satoshis right here. You clear these highs. It can happen the weekend, man. It can happen this weekend. No biggie. And yeah, we also broke this downward trend. You can see this downward trend breakout. Let me go weekly chart to show you what it means. Okay, this is very, very good. This is very, very good. That's how Avax goes. Okay, it goes sell off, sell off, sell off. Wow, bounce. Okay, here as well. Big sell off here. You can see here. This is the weekly picture. Boom. Okay, here as well. Sell off. Nasty sell off. Wedgie kind of a sell off here. Breakout. All right, we're expecting the boom. We're looking for the boom. Let's look on the stochastic. Again, up on the Bitcoin, up on the 2-week, up on the monthly. All charts saying up only Avax in the next couple of weeks and months till the cycle top. We'll see how it's going to, altcoins move very fast. They can explode very, very fast, especially Avax. Now, why we like Avax, man? Look at Avax. Where is Avax, man? Avax is a daddy, okay? He's a daddy. It's liquid. You can put big amount. Again, this is not a financial advice. Nothing we say is financial advice here. We're not a financial advisor. We're traders. We're traders. We have our trading community, trading service. If you want to join, link below. The best service in the world. Coins are pumping. We are printing, and you better check it out. We have discount there. I will talk about it in a second. But Avax, look at it. 13 billion. All right, 13 billion, number 19 by market cap. Okay, and you have a ton of like stable coins here. So it's really one of the top cryptos. By far, you have 13 billion, and it's very liquid, very big volume. You can see the volume coming in for Avax, very big volume. And you can see in the last 7 days, Avax is in the top performers of the top 100. We're talking about number 8 or 7 here in the top 100, and we believe it's going to pump now. Obviously, you can play the small cap, the smaller cap, but Avax is large cap. That's why we like Avax as well. Very, very nice. And yeah, man, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel. I want to show you a trade we took. Meanwhile, Avax just started the move, but we are traders. We're always looking for more to make more ROI, make more USDT, so we can buy the breakouts with more and more capital. For example, trade we took recently was Pump in the September 1st. Everybody got notified. Look at it. Buy the break of 374. Look at Pump. Where is Pumpy? Look at Pump. Look at it. That was the breakout here. Bought it at 374. Okay, boom. 70% max gain. Actually, went even higher now. This thing just keep giving, man. This is a cash cow. Again, all our trades that explode, we leave runners. This is an alt season. This is a bull market. People are sleeping on their faces, not making any money because they're holding rubbish. This is one example. Now all the gains flip to Avax breakout. 2 days ago, we took it. 2 or 3 days ago, we took the Avax breakout, like I told you. And also another trade we took is IP. You can see IP by the break of 8.6, September 7. Look at IP. That was in the 7th of September. Okay, that was our breakout trade right here. That was the entry. Boom, immediately hit all our targets. 34, 35% gain. Actually, it was more. This is the entry here, the 8.6 right here, around 40%. Really, that's the time to join the membership, man. If you trade crypto, if you like to trade crypto, this is the time. You can scan the QR code, join us. We do market updates, everyday trade alerts. This is the weekend now. We're working full time because we know alt season is happening usually the strongest way in weekends. Okay. Yes, you're going to have big moves, obviously, on the weekdays. But on the weekend, all the gamblers, all the speculators, easy money environment, because Bitcoin is kind of choppy, doing nothing, usually, unless it's hostile, but usually it's kind of cute. And, the ETF and all the scammers are off. So the crypto bros are trading, and you have meme coins pumping, you have a large cap, mid cap pumping. Man, join the VIP. By far the best service in the world for trading crypto. By far, there's nothing like that, man. Like if you go to another community of like baboons on Patreon, or wherever they are, like all the clowns and the moon boys from YouTube, they're not gonna give you any alpha. They're gonna tell you to buy cooked coins. They're gonna tell you to buy, hey, buy 10 coins, buy Caspa, buy ICP, buy this garbage. No, don't do that, man. You want to trade with the market. We trade with the market. We don't care about the coin. We don't care about the tech. We don't care about the partnerships. All we care is about liquidity going into the coin, price breakouts, and potential immediate ROI. That's all we care. And obviously manage risk. All our trade alerts come with stops, targets, and a plan. You get market updates every day. Check it out, man. By far, no brainer. You also have a discount, 25% off on all our trading service. You can scan the QR code and drop it on the checkout. Summer sale 25 to get 25% off. If you trade with more than 50K, 100K and above, 6 digits and above, you need someone to help you. You need someone to guide you. This is the best tier ever. Okay, this is the Elite VIP. Scan the QR code, man. You get private one-on-one phone call with top traders. You get unlimited access, unlimited support. We take you hand in hand. We give you we are in contact, consistent contact with you daily, in and out season. Hey, buy this one. Hey, buy this one. This is by far the best service. Check it out. This is for serious investors. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.